Let's see how to make the Face ID work faster on iPhone. So the very first step is just go to settings and scroll down and find Face ID and passcode. Tap on it. Okay, and now once you go to this page, what you should do, you should tap on set up an alternative appearance. So this is an additional feature by the iPhone, so that you can add an additional person on this iPhone, so that the unlocking of this iPhone happens with one more person which you trust. But what you can do, you can set up an alternative appearance and go there and set up your own face again. Okay, so what it will do, it will let the iPhone learn more data points of your face using your face, and it will become faster and more intelligent. Okay, so this is one of the tip. The second tip is, what you can do, you can turn off this feature, require attention for Face ID. Okay, so this is an additional security feature, so it requires that you are being attentive to the iPhone screen, then only the Face ID works. But in order to do this, it makes it a little bit slower. Okay, so this is if you turn this off, and let's try looking at unlocking the iPhone again, and it unlocks a bit faster. Also, make sure that you use Face ID too often, because using Face ID from time to time make learn more data points of your face to the iPhone, and then it keeps getting faster and better. Okay, the last step is just go to settings, okay, and just go to general and go to software update, and if there are any software update available for your iPhone, then try to download and install it, and your problem will be fixed. That's it, guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.